apologize about being late. Mike V Power Hour. Man, it doesn't matter, right? What are they doing? Smart. This is the one. It is. CCJ. Started some core weave here. I did. Started some core weave. Calls. This was a stock in the morning. SQSFD. Gap and go. Closed at 5. Opened at 10. Once it broke out of the opening range, tried to shake out a little bit. Got to give it time. Size up. Boom. 11 to 25. Sounds easier than it is. Earnings this week. Be aware. Okay, you need a breather. CTAs are, by the way, max long copper. Most materials, most oversold. Okay. Give you a little glance at the Jesus feed. It is what it is. Next. I'm so happy I'm in it. Really. NBIS. Breaking high. Goldman upgrade. Gap and go. QS continuing to run up. Right? There's 10. There's the weekly. Now basing above the weekly. Newmont. Minute. They shook me out. Got right back in. Oh, look at this heat. What's the other one? Silver. What was that other one I sold? I sold AGI. Like, what did I sell the AGI? Sold it lower, but still, I'm not acting like Newmont, the leader. And believe me, this one can go up while the other ones go down. Shopify. Oh, this one's taking calls. Okay. It is. I haven't heard this for a while either. Pins. Just sold 8,000 RKT, 1390, 96. I got that big. There's the daily. Okay. Now it looks like it's taking calls as Zillow goes higher. But there's the weekly. But Zillow was the one the whole time. Zillow lagging. RKLB, ASTS, Oust. Just bought some on the dip. Just gave the dip. You still going? What's sexy now? You know what's sexy? Kodak. Started the day strong. Looks like it's ending the day strong. What else have they got? IDR, new stock on the list. Idaho Strategic Resources. Poet, sexy stock. Still, Target taking calls. That's on the sprinkle. That bottom. I think a negative catalyst would hold the gap, and a positive gap, the catalyst would. That's what I think. You. Yeah, there's never too many U's when there's dollar signs involved. More calls. Energy fuels. Might be familiar with it. If you're not, get familiar with it. As is every Monday, please scroll through. There's never. Next. This thing, Pam. This is popping up too. K-Scape, weekly. This thing's popping up. Lightscope. I don't like it now. Dollar General, speaking Target, here's Dollar General. Let's look at the other one with the dollar in it, Dollar Tree. Coop. I have a friend named Coop. Hope Coop's okay. You listening, Coop? Hope you're okay. AOD, Knockout, Bio, Kodiak Sciences. At least it's you, Kodiak. You actually believe it's that you tobacco? Freaking lucky for fucking cancer. My God. Arcade. Okay, here we go. Just as I dumped the thing, taking more calls. RKT more calls. Trading over 14. Son of a bitch. UMAC on the rail. UMAC on the rail. You know what stock started strong today, had it overnight, it still looks okay? UMAC still. Uh, Redwire Corporation. By 3,000, 3,200. Marked it up for everybody lucky. Oust. Smart, they got me. I top tick smart. BTU. What am I going to do now? Can I tell you something? I saw all weekend. I'm saying I'm fine. I'm going to hold this thing for freaking 20. There's the weekly on BTU. Went with oil. There's BTU. All right. So the CNX went though. Why can't BTU get the freaking CNX memo? That next was sexy. Trump to unveil 70 billion in AI and energy investments. Yeah. The best worker is the one that puts themselves out of a job. That's my goal. You know what? I'll be here. I'll be with the magnifying glass. I can't even see. Is that a Z or is that a U? Probably go right here. Bank earnings this week. You know what the one is? They all GEV, another one, Larry. There it goes. I want to talk about relative strength. That's in everything. IBD, everything. That's it. This is in everything across the board. This GEV. Anyway, getting back to it. Wells Fargo is the one. You like money? Get yourself a demo and max out on Wells Fargo. Planeteer. You gonna argue with this? My God. That looks like it's got 200. It does. Don't even started again. Zoom. You know, Zoom was breaking down. Friday Zoom was one of the weakest stocks on the whole board. Period. There it is. I would put Zoom with freaking Gene Norman's money. I can't. I'd say Coach. Coach gets mad at me when I say it, even if it's a joke. No way. I'm not doing it. Get stock picking ever more than ever, man. Not doing it. Tell him. Even Gene Norman's not even up. Acting like he's got Kodak by himself. Uranium. RKT. All right, I could take that off. Uranium. Then sucks. Campbell Soup, still taking call. Every uranium stock, you see this? And Planeteers across the board. Flying. FVR. Five Below. You know what this Five Below is going up? It may not. Listen, you take some cues. You might not be that familiar with Five Below. There's the chart. But you know what? This might put a little edification or confirmation that Target may pop. Same church, different pew. Give or take. You know what Kramer's number one stock? You know what he likes? Interiors. Watch. And you know what I bought in the fund? The only airline I own. And they're acting poorly is Delta. Actually, Delta acted well. UAL is poor. You know what? I was wrong about it. Where'd that come from? LUV is the one. It's going a lot higher. A lot higher. Core is taking calls. Resumption. The typical huge pop, low volume. And this is what's happening. I hope I don't think I'm articulating it that well, but a quick glance at the Jesus feed again and what's going on. A handful of COVID winners seeing some spec play. So, i.e. Zoom. DNA. That might be a spot. J Norm. Hope you're feeling better. This is the spot for DNA. You want to try it above the figure. That goes on the list. AAOY. That's on the list. Boy, man, that gonna go. You know, it's very clear what you like. It might happen. Listen, they pull the rug, you still have to have a plan. This is the whole if right here. 27 night. You get it. And here's hedge mine. I'll leave it here if you will. I know I say it a lot, or I'll digress. You still drinking? These high growth stocks continue to hit a new all-time high. RKLB. Look at the charts. I'll believe me, I'll like it, and then you can look. But let's go over the charts as I talk about it. RKLB. Roblox. And that came out of the channel and freaked you out. Now it's above the channel. I thought this years ago. Obviously, the aforementioned. Hood, they go hand in hand. CRDO, all the boys love this. They love it and they still like it. Over 100. This symbols what? Charlie, Ralph, David, Oscar. Highlighted. SMCI. Looks too good. Just feels too good. Should have went already. If it goes, it's going to go 20. If it goes, no, it's going to go 10%. If it goes down, it's going to go down 10%. This is so pent up. I don't want. It's not even worth almost being on the other side of it. It's not even worth the shot. If you're wrong, you're going to be wrong. You're going to be wrong for a while. AMLX. Like this stuff too. You put Jeffy in this one. I know you are. Can't catch them all. Just gotta, you know what it is with the VIX. This where it is. Even though it popped a little bit today. Fewer positions, bigger size. Cheers, Jeff. Thank you. You call them out. You're good, just as good as them. I can't get them all. AAOI. This has more. This has more. It's even going to get the highlighter. I wrote it down with the star, but with CRDO, it's going to get it. Who's this freaking guy? You know what you should do too? What helps? It's a frame of reference. Well, Jim, why don't you listen on Friday night all over the weekend? It's 11 minutes long. Write some things down. You know what I mean? He goes cold, go against him. He's hot, go with him. Can't figure it all out by ourselves. Here, Jim Cramer's plan for the week.
I ordered 200 hand-forged knives to my dorm room and built a Wix website to sell them. I'm Noel Rosen.
Investors, which is market.
Hello traders, in this video we'll walk you through our
But
new
he gives you
AI
plan-
analysis tools, show you how to access these powerful features, and
You know, I think oil is going lower. Tuesday it starts, and are you ready for it? Earnings season in full swing with the financials starting things off as always. Hey, they were terrific last time around, but the economy's got a little weaker since week, so we're gonna have to hear if there's any pickup in loan losses or slowdown in spending. The star of the show is always J.P. Morgan, and it's Jamie Dimon. It's the CEO. Been there since 2006 now. I care tremendously, actually, about charitable trust holding Wells Fargo. Now that their asset cap problems are behind them, who knows how high CEO Charlie Sharp
A lot higher.
Wells.
You get the
We think
picture.
certain things,
All right.
doesn't matter what CEO.
Retailers are at the end
Denver's
of it.
25
Because it's
points
opinion on, you know.
They've been silent.
All right, so the guy's smarter than me. I think he's smarter than us. He gives a macro view. If he's dead wrong, maybe it's buy the rumor, sell the news. Wells Fargo, I like it. I've liked it all along. AXP. You know, that's part of the Monday plan. You like Wells Fargo. And I am in it. Or if he's dead wrong, maybe. If you're not aware of this, then it's tough love. It's got everything you want. Retail, China, tariff. And it's hot. It's taking calls. It had news. And it's not one of these obscure ones. Not the freaking symbol, Nike. Right on the 200 day, taking calls now. Gapped up, low volume. Yeah, I know it's not the normal other one, but gotta be aware of these things. LTBR. Where's Mick? Off the freaking board this thing's going. And that goes with SMAR in the mall. I'm not trying to impress you. I'm just trying to impress it to you. Just trying to freaking cut the learning curve. That's all. That's all I'm trying to do. I don't have it figured out. Still a work in progress. Option flow, volume, range. Nothing attracts a crowd like a crowd. Sentiment. I get it. Also know that sometimes sentiment TMC. You see, you know, with these freaking guys, they're all on top of each other. Look at this. I follow 64 people, all financial. Doesn't mean I could follow more or less, whatever. I'm not the judge and the jury. But here's what they do. Christian, guest the coach, TMC, reformed trader. Guy's got 100,000 followers. Obviously, Christian's got a gentleman of Bloomberg, right? Right after each other, TMC. Now, what am I going to do? Okay. Doesn't mean they might have had it cheaper. Doesn't mean they even own it. It means they're watching. It's got range. It's hot. By the way, getting back to what Kramer and his video was, This was my biggest winner last year. Right. Bring them into earnings. Oh man, is that beautiful? And I'll tell you, I have. Let's go into a couple of things. Right, forget what the markets. What time? It's always another trade. 3M. Industrial. I said materials are the most underbought. They still are. I think that's a material. There's 3M has earnings. Cream would think it's going a lot higher. Regardless. Okay, now what do I just like my dissertation before? You know, targets. Well, retailers don't really get that good. Semis usually go well. Oils. I'm talking stocks that go purely together without so many undercurrents. All right, a 3M. Obviously, DuPont's in the group to a degree. This one, I'm going to show you why before I even give this on the feed. Jeff, you know what? This is for you. I know who's on. I'm not going to call. I get an oath not to call people out. OLN. Bulls adding in. This is 2 hours ago. 400,000 today. 22 hours ago. OLN massive buyer. 900,000 premium. OLN. 1 million call buyer. OLN. Okay, you don't know what LLN is? You should. If you don't, fine. Okay, go to Brock. Ask him what he does. OLN, what they freaking do. They'll tell you. But in the meantime, I know. You know, they're industrial chemical products to all that. There you go. Soaps, detergents, epoxy, DuPont, ammo. Here it is. Okay, so regardless. I might be wrong. You know, if I was wrong, this might be an SMCI type of thing, because much like my dissertation on SMCI, this should have gone. But the calls are there. I'm going to hold it. Oh, it's down. OLN. It's a half fake down. What happened there? It's just up. I lied. There it is. I'm going to tell you, though, this is almost like one of these VFC type of things that just all of a sudden bounce, but I'm in it. There's the weekly. This is one you want to not tie up too much capital, I guess, but I'm in it. There's the week. They're all looking interesting, and they're the most. Listen, it's a mean reversion play. It is, and you know what? The other, this is a stock that I use as a gauge. Besides Dow Chemical, is Dow Chemical even public? The other day I thought Sara Lee was public. SLE. That was flying. I said the pound. That's why I bought more Campbell soup, because I said SLE used to be so embarrassed, but it's Super League Enterprises now. Anyway, Dow Chemical. That's not good. That's not good. CC is the one. They suck. You know what? The more I look at it, I don't even like this position. Fuck. Nike taking more calls. Don't kill the messenger. All right, stocks doing good early on. Remember, AOL, Roblox, CRDO, LTBR, Hood, the boys. ENVX still looking sexy as QS keeps going. ENVX. And the first one, what was the other first? Yeah, ALB. Bird. Listen, if VRT is G, this is what I see now. GEV, there it is. The other one that goes with it is VRT. That's the one that should be bought today. VRT, paper trading VRT. But I put, this is what, and now I have, this is my book. You see my book? I don't know if you can see it. But then I have something, usually I have a page and a half, you know, and then I have in the bottom right corner late, with the late moves. I have queries too, but you can't catch them all. Jeff. It's the one, bud. Ever since they did away with the free baggage, they're now getting baggage. That's, I'm telling you. I'm going to be an Bud Fox here. And I'm in it. Can't believe I'm in Campbell Soup. I got out of it. I said, thank God I'm out of it. I was buried in this thing. I don't 22/4. The day that whatever. The freaking Kellogg got taken over. So I'm like, all right. They took over Kraft Heinz. I put Campbell Soup. Happy to know the people. Big horse racing people. As a matter of fact, cheers, Mrs. Weber. So Campbell Soup. I said, oh my God, I can't believe I'm losing in Campbell Soup. And I bought it back, but it's still taking calls. This, you know what this is? This is a Campbell Soup. This is a freaking, you know what portfolio this is? A Campbell Soup, a Target, a freaking Olin, Kodak. LUV, Jeff. Not kidding. I never kid, but I'm LUV. Okay. In the demo, the boys are in LUV. Says a lot, if you know me. I'm in it. Never in enough. I'm in it. SRM. What's this freaking thing? SRM. Day delay. Don't like it. Too much overhead. Too much supply. Too many people chased it. How about Peggy Sue? Silver. Somebody told me to buy silver here. Niall worked with, I don't even want to look at XPIV. I sold a lot of XPIV. I can't look. All right, that's fine. Deal with the XPIV. Silver. Is there anything, Jeff, I trust you. Is there anything I could do more or less of, or anything besides cursing? So when it's going down, and they do the dip 3-4. When it's going down, do dip 3-4. Usually goes up again. When it goes down, do the dip 3-4, just like here. 2-3-4, 2-3-4 dip up, 2-3-4 dip, 2-3-4 dip. The demarker. Niall, all over the board. Now maybe we should. There's Niall. But I told you on Friday. Niall was just a diversion for which one? LI, Long Island. LI is the one. LI is this. LI, Niall, XPEV. And look at the other charts. They're sneaking Niall up. Matter of fact, LI. And it gets the highlighter. You know why? Because they're trying to sneak it by me. LUV, Jeff. LUV. Love. LI is the one. Proctor. You know what, Jeff? You're right. It's horrible. Look at Proctor. I feel bad for that stock. I really do. I grew up trading that stock. Let's go back to freaking 1996. Can't even go back that far. That's a shame. Oh my God. I'm so old, the weeklies don't even go back to when it started. But you know what? It's okay, because you know what, Jeff? We still got BKD, Brookfield freaking Senior Living. We got it. So we don't have to worry about it. Then you know what? Oh, just started getting going, Brookfield Weekly. Get in it, Jeff. I don't want to be there alone. There'll be no fun trading when you're in CYD. Oh, who's the other one? CYH. I bet you that popped. What's it? You know what? That's gonna go. We talked about it. We joked about it. That's got it. That could go to 5. I'm a young man. I'm 53. I know you're a boomer. You're freaking flying all over the place, though. Hawaii, San Diego. You're doing okay. I'll take you. I'll sign up for your program. Sign me up for the freaking Jane Loan program, except for liking the Cleveland Browns. Even if you get your North Sanders, silver, selling silver. Is that how you got your North Silver? Coach called it. Coach, you there? First trade of the day for Dale Pinker. He's aware. Should be aware. He leads by example, but he knows that there was, that's on the menu. Dale Pinker. Here it was. 21 hours ago. Nice trade. But the CYH has room. And that hurts. AOI, Roblox, Cardo, LTBR. SMAR. RCAT worked so beautifully too. I'm young man. The outside's no longer as good as the inside, buddy boy. The inside's no longer as the outside. Everybody's the TMC. Okay, guys. Good job. Let's all hop on TMC. Blah, blah, blah. NOV is a driller. This I'm going to take an interest in. Oh, it's Nio. Still. Nio. Nio still. That makes me circle LI. Because it's not going to be Nio. Even Stewie's on TMC. Now Stewie's on this. Do you see this? Do you see this? Stewie's the trifecta. This guy's got a lot of pull. Got a half a bazillion followers. Stewie's clean. He doesn't post that much. Now he's in TMC. Right? I'm not even going to give it the highlighter. F you. Silver. New months. You know what? I knew it. I got out of it well. Then I held a little of it. Because it's stock today, guys. I really think this is going to work. With Rocket Lab like this, I really think this is going to work. It's a laggard, I get it. But I'm watching it. I'm in it. I was in it Friday. FAAI. I think I was in that the other day. I was in this thing. Oh no. Do you know I sold 80,000 FFAI at like 180? I'm not doing this. It took calls though. Oh man. I have to show you this. Look, it's a travesty. Where is this thing? Executions. Yeah, I sold this thing at $1.70 and I'm pissed. I knew it was wrong. There's 11,000, 2.4. There's another like 5. And you, what happened here? This RTW. Did this Rocket Labs closes where this high is? This thing will work. Where's this cap here? Yeah. Shot. Yeah. FAI. It's my fault. I bought too much of it. I said it was a $2 stock. I hit the bid. I hope it goes to 3. Hope it goes higher. Hope it goes to 100. My fault. Nobody told me to do it. Rocket Lab's higher. This is the one. Bids 1772. I am short QS as you see.
Guys,
What was that? It does have a shot at 3. It does. It's taking calls. You know how Planeteer. Planeteer. Just get involved. Just get in. Just get in. Just get in. Get me a Gordon Gecko. Just get me in a 9-degree angle. An 80-degree angle. EMC. Trying to tell you what to look for. Rocket Labs. Okay. Javi's good. QS. Which fucking A. Is this getting it so cliche? Planeteer, he's allowed. LI's the one.